Hello friend, today we will see the installation of Windows Server 2016. You can download the ISO from this link. I can show you that also. This is the download Evolution Center. You can download your Evolution version of any Microsoft product from here. This is the grace period of we have the grace period of 180 days. After that we have to activate the product. So you can select the ISO and click on continue, and this will download the ISO in your system. So we can see all the other information from this website also. For example, the pre-install information, the description of the product, description of the product. These are the description, basic description of this product. Pre-installation information. You can find out the release note of this product from this link. Minimum system requirement, that what is the minimum system requirement, that what is the minimum processor requirement, RAM requirement, the storage, network adapter, and other requirement. You find all the information from this link also. Windows Server 2016 came into two product edition. One is a standard and second one is data center. You can find the comparison of standard and data center edition from this link. I will also provide you all the links in the below description box. You can go and check out from there. So now we are going to start our installation. This is our VM on which we are going to install the server 2016. I'm powering on the VM. Loading the files. You can select the language to install, time and currency format, keyboard or input methods from here. We are going with the default options, so I'm not going to change anything. I'm just clicking on next button. Now you can find out the two options here. One is the install now and second is the repair your computer. Install now for the fresh installation, and repair your computer is for repairing the existing installation. So we are going with the fresh installation. Clicking on install now. Setup is starting. We have four installation option. One is 16 standard, second is with standard with desktop experience, third one is data center, fourth one is data center with desktop experience. Desktop experience is the edition of this OS with the GUI option. In this edition you can find out the GUI option, but these two are the core installation. We cannot find the GUI option. We have to manage these server remotely with the PowerShell and other tools. We are selecting this standard option and pressing on next button. Accepting the license agreement, clicking on next. Now we have two options, that upgrade, install window, keep files, settings and application, and second one is custom install, advanced. For fresh installation we are selecting this second option. Now you can see the hard disk attached with this VM. If you want to uh, break this hard disk into the small pieces, you can go with the option and select this. This option is for the further partitioning of the hard disk. We are not going to do that, so canceling the option, clicking on next, and it will start the installation. It's copying the window files, getting the file ready for installation. It will take time, so for the time being I am pausing the video. Installation has been completed. I am restarting the system now. It will restart several times to finish up the installation, so we have to wait for that. When the installation will complete, we have to provide the administrator password for the first time. After that, we can log into the system. Yes, here it is. So I'm going to provide that. Finishing it. Now our installation has been completed. We are going to log in into the system for the first time. We can configure the IP address. Going to properties. Here we will provide the IP address. Once now you can see the option that do you want to allow your PC to discover by other PC and devices. You can select the option as per your convenience. I am selecting the yes. Now we have already provided the IP address to this server. Now you can go to the server manager and local server to enable the desktop remote desktop option. Here you can see that it's disabled. Just go and allow. You can see the warning message that you remote desktop firewall exception will be enabled. So click on OK. allow, apply. Okay, now we can see that we are able to remote desktop MSTSC to this server or not. So let's try for that. Yes, we are able to RDP this server. Now the installation has been completed. Hope friends you have liked this video. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.